Hello people, I'm very glad and very happy to be here today in this place. I'm going to test and show a new electronic e-bike bicycle with sport performances from Docrup brand. I used this brand before and I'm very satisfied with their quality, price, performances and everything. Name of this model is DS2, and to be honest, using e-bikes are future of transportation. It's very convenient. It's much better than car. You don't have that kind of problems, parking spots. You can avoid traffic jam. You can be fast, actually faster than car because you don't need to wait. You can skip. We have a lot of satisfied customers, so it's very good if your job is nearby. Also, you can come to pick up kids from school, from kindergarten. You can go to the beach, to the vacation, everywhere. So, and the most important thing to say is by using this, you are protecting your planet. You don't make so much pollution. It's very convenient also for charging. It's charging time is about 4 or 5 hours. So during the night when you are sleeping, you can just leave it somewhere on charging spot and charge it during the night. So tomorrow, next day, it's ready for driving. So now, because this epidemic changed the world we are living in, we need to be very careful about hygiene, about protection. So before I start, I'll first clear my hands. It's very important. Always clean your hands and put on hygienic gloves. So this is the next step, because it's important. Safety is always very, very important. Okay, and then after this I will show you how to open it and how to use it. This is very simple. Okay, now this part. So look carefully here. It has double layer of foam. Why? During transportation, during shipping, it's protecting the bike so it cannot be damaged, scratched, or something else, something bad happen. It keeps it in the right way. So we need to remove this foam now. As you can see, but first, slowly. You can see it's very well, it's completely preserved during the transportation. Everything is there. All parts are there. Before I start, I would also like to mention that you can use this DS2 as a regular bicycle and also as an e-bike or scooter. So you can use it on two ways. You can exercise, which is really important to keep your health. It's good for health, you will feel better. But also if you have some, if you need to go up, then you can also use it as a regular scooter. So you have home and here. And after it's ready for driving. Put this part. See? It's very elegant, has very good look. Now this part you can see. Put it here. Then this way. This. Hold it here, and this lock it see, easy, ready for driving. All right, now we fixed everything and it's ready for driving. As you can see, it looks very beautiful. It looks amazing on the road. So first, let's speak about frame material. Frame material is aluminum alloy, the best material for e-bikes, for scooters, for bicycles. It's using also for airplanes construction, so you cannot find better material than this one. It's not plastic, it's not some iron or something. Aluminum alloy, the best material. Let's say a few things about speed. You have 3 speed modes. First mode is electrical mode. It can go up to 50 kilometers. Then you have second mode, boost mode. It can go 60 to 80 kilometers. And then you have good old mechanical mode. So if you want to exercise, do some sports, it's also very good. So you can use it in several ways. Let's say a few things about tires. As you can see, those tires are very, very powerful. They can go to the snow, they can go anywhere, off-road, mountain. So it's very convenient. You can go also to all kind of areas, not just city, not just regular road. So it has this advantage. Also, you have transmission, 7 gears Shimano transmission, and you have I said before, LCD light, and also you have LED lights here with speaker. Let's say a few things also which are very important. That is charging. Charging is 4 to 5 hours. It's charging really fast. You go to sleep during the night, put the battery, and it's already charged. It can then go to maximum power. Maximum power is 750 volts. Rated voltage is 48 volts. And also it can carry load up to 100 kilograms. So I'm around 90 or something, so it can carry person up to 100 kilograms. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching. Bye.